SantosSierraPotentials.com, signing at our channel. So, ang lidakin natin today is, I deserve this. Yung Bible verse is from Romans 11, chapter 35. Who was even given to God, that God should repay them. Friend, ang storyteller natin today, or the one who wrote the story, si Miss Tintin Tantan. So, ang story niya is, do you feel like you should receive everything you pray for? So, friend, ikaw ba, feeling mo you're privileged that you have to get everything that you ask or you wish for? So, Lord, why aren't you giving me what I deserve? So, minsan may ganun ka bang tanong, friend, na you're asking God, why you are not receiving those things that we wish for or you pray for? So, sabi nga ni Sis Tintin Tantan is, God is not a genie. God is a father. So, ano bang difference ng genie at father? As parents, you don't get everything that our children wanted. So, meron tayong time, merong reward, merong the proper way to give yung mga needs ng children natin, needs, wants, or wishes, di ba? So, anong reflection natin today? Can you trust the Lord fully even when you don't understand? That's what it means to have faith. So, friend, yan minsan, God is so gracious, but sometimes meron tayong lessons that we need to learn in this life. Kaya we do not get everything all at once. We are not rewarded every day. There's a time and a place for all of the things that we want in life. Our Father, forgive us for our stubbornness and impatience. May we always remember that you want what's best for me. Stay safe, everyone. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.